In this video, I will guide you on how to change language in Gemini AI app. If you want to change the language in Gemini app, first of all, launch open the Gemini app on your device. Now you want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. From here, scroll down and tap on settings. Here, you will find different options. Find the one that says languages, select that. Now you have main language selected over here. So if you want to change your main language, simply tap on this, and then from here you can select whichever language that you want. Remember that these languages have to be supported by Google Assistant. You can also tap on the search bar and from here search for a language that you prefer. Once you have found it, go ahead and select that. Then it's going to say restart. So go ahead and tap on the restart option. Once it has been restarted, as you can see, language of Gemini has been changed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.